Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So the next video that I'm doing in my top 5 favourite lipsticks series is the shade Brown. I think I've pretty much covered every shade there is now. I've done nudes, I've done pinks, I've done reds, I've done coral peaches, purples, and now brown. I guess the only one that's left is orange, unless you guys would like to suggest any other kind of shades. Maybe unique weird shapes, then I don't really wear them. Anyway, so let's keep to the brown one for now. But if you've got any other suggestions of what you'd like to see from my top 5 series, let me know below. I've also done a top 5 favourite drugstore foundations. Maybe I'll do a top 5 favourite higher end ones. I'm really loving this whole top 5 series. It really makes me think really hard about what is considered my favourite shades. So it's a challenge for me, but I'm happy to accept that challenge. So let me know below if you'd like me to do any other videos to do with this whole brown skin series. Anyway, so the first lipstick I'm going to show you is an affordable drugstore one, and it's from Barry M Cosmetics. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that Barry M's liquid lipsticks, in my opinion, are one of the best on the market, and especially the fact that they're drugstore makes it even better. So this is one of their Matte Me Up lip kits, which basically means it comes as a liquid lipstick with a matching lip liner, and this is what they look like. So this shade is a very dark chocolate brown shade, a very deep brown shade. It's not like a blackened brown, but it's one that would look amazing on brown skin tones specifically. This one, I have used it quite a few times. I like the quality of it, I like the texture. Obviously the fact that it comes with a matching lip liner is great. To me, sometimes when it comes to liquid lipsticks, I don't really see the purpose of lip liners, because the liquid lipstick normally covers it up and you can't really blend it out. However, that doesn't mean that I've stopped kind of using this with this, but this is a beautiful warm toned deep brown shade which will look amazing on brown skin tones. The next lipstick I'm going to show you is from Dose of Colours, and it's in the shade Cork. This is probably the third one that I've ever repurchased even, because I love the shade so much. It's a beautiful warm golden brown, but it's definitely a lot lighter than the previous one that I showed you. It will look amazing on all skin tones. The quality of Dose of Colours liquid lipsticks is also excellent. It's not too liquidy, it's not too runny, lasts all day on the lips. I don't find that it's flakes. I don't find that it goes all grungy feeling on the lips. One layer is all you need to get complete opaque coverage. So I absolutely love this colour, especially on those days where a really deep brown like the previous one I showed you is a bit too harsh. This one is a more kind of a muted, more daily wearable sort of shade. The next one I'm going to show you is one of Stila's Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Biscotti, and this shade is like a taupey brown, so it's more of a cool tone sort of shade, because as you guys know with this whole series I've been doing, I want to show varieties within that shade as well. So I've shown you quite warm toned ones, and this is a more cool tone sort of palish one. Now this shade isn't necessarily one that everybody would like, especially if you've got brown skin. Generally you've got very yellow undertones, very warm undertones, so a lot of people tend to stay away from cool taupey sort of shades such as this. But I personally find this really wearable. This is the kind of shade that I tend to wear to work a lot as well, because it's not too in your face, and plus it's a nice step away from using my usual warm tone sort of shades. So I really love this. Plus obviously, as you guys know, the quality of Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks is excellent as well. Full coverage, opaque, lasts all day long and looks amazing. The next lipstick I'm going to show you is probably one of my more recent purchases, as in I bought this on Black Friday when Anastasia Beverly Hills did their Black Friday sale. I think it was like 40% off. It was a really good deal. So this is the shade called Ashton. Now whereas the other ones, like I said, are quite deeper shades, except for the Stila one, this one is a more paler shade but on the warm tone side. So this is a very warm toned, yellowy toned kind of palish brown, but it still looks amazing on deep and brown skin tones. So I really love this. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. The trick with these is to go in with quite a light layer, because they are very thick and quite moussey, and it's very easy to go overboard with wearing too much of the liquid lipstick, and that's when you start to encounter dryness issues and cracking and so on. So I personally really love this shade. So whereas I said that one or two of the other ones were like everyday wearable shades, this is another one of those. And last but not least is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is one of his Velour liquid lipsticks in the shade Dominatrix. This is probably the darkest brown I own. It is a very, very, very deep chocolate brown shade. Now this will look amazing on brown skin tones, or if you've got a similar skin tone to me and you've got a very simple face going on, and this will be the focus of your look. So even though a lot of these shades I'm gearing obviously towards women with brown skin, if you've got very, very, very deep skin, you will also love this a lot as well. Now Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks are not too thick and not too runny, and I find them to be very, very opaque, and they wear well on the lips as well. So for those of you that aren't scared to step outside of your kind of comfort zone, you will really love a shade such as this. It is that really pow in your face, deep, vibrant, dark brown, and I absolutely love it. So that's it for my top 5 brown lipsticks for brown skin. On my lips, because I know you guys will be wondering, is I've actually got it here with me because I was topping it up just for the video. It's from Too Faced. It's one of their new Naturally Mattes, Naturally Nudes, whatever it's called, lipsticks. It's in the shade Birthday Suit, and I've actually paired it with Spice Lip Liner by MAC. If I had done that nudes video before I bought this, I would have so put this lipstick in there. I have used it so much since I bought it. It is like the perfect nude for brown skin and deeper skin tones. However, I always have to pair it with a lip liner, otherwise it's a little bit bordering concealer mouth. Just an FYI. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.